If you think your house is actually clean after spending hours scrubbing with wipes and chemical sprays, you are making the exact same mistake I made for years. The truth is, the worst germs, dust mites, and viruses are hiding exactly where our sponges never reach. I am going to explain how I fixed this problem for good in just a moment. But right before I reveal how it works, you need to know I put a link in the description with a massive secret discount on this product, so go check it out so you do not miss it. At my age, I am a pretty pragmatic guy. I just do not have the time or energy anymore to spend my weekends scrubbing the house and breathing in toxic fumes. That is why I started using Clareite. It is not a spray, it is a device that uses hospital-grade UVC light technology. There are absolutely no harmful chemicals, no sticky residues, just an incredibly powerful light that destroys 99.99% of bacteria, mold, and allergens right down to the molecular level. I just set it down in the room, set the remote control for 15, 30, or 60 minutes, walk out, and it shuts itself off completely automatically. It is 100% hands-free. The most impressive thing about this UVC light is that it sanitizes the entire space without damaging a single thing. The light penetrates carpets, curtains, neutralizes deep-rooted pet odors in the couch, and even purifies the air you breathe. Ever since I started using it, I never wake up congested anymore, and my house just smells naturally fresh. It is completely safe for electronics and replaces all those expensive cleaning supplies. It is honestly the most effective solution I have ever found to keep my home spotless, healthy, and allergen-free without ever lifting a single finger. If you want to stop wasting your time and protect your health without any manual labor, click the link in the description right now. There is an instant 70% off discount today, but be warned, their inventory is selling out incredibly fast right now. Do not wait until they are completely out of stock. Use the link right below the video to claim yours and make your life easier before it is too late.